Vertex BD is an ideal building information modelling software for prefabricated and modular construction, because you can complete your design and detailing process in one software platform. Accurate Vertex BIM model includes configurable walls, floors, ceilings and roofs that Vertex BD automatically converts into accurate framing model based on your framing rules. Once the framing model is complete, the software automatically generates the panel fabrication drawings and cutting lists within seconds. The fabrication drawings are fully editable. The fabrication drawings include labelled pieces, cross-section views, dimensions and accurate piece lists. Vertex BD handles design changes with ease. For example, if you need to change the location of any component or change a panel height, length or framing accessory, Vertex BD automatically updates the BIM model, drawings and material reports to reflect your changes. The framing data can be transferred directly to manufacturing equipment to minimize errors in production. All these elements create a fully connected design and manufacturing process, saving a considerable amount of design, detailing and estimation time while minimizing errors at the construction site. Join thousands of companies that are making it happen with us already.